YouTube, what's up, baby? It's your boy. Got another video for you. Unboxing. This is a blast from the past. The Sony DJ headphones MDR-V55s. Now, these headphones, I want to say, was real popular about maybe about 3 years ago. A lot of people came on YouTube doing unboxings and doing reviews about these headphones. And at that time, you can get them just about everywhere. So I procrastinated around and wound up missing the opportunity of getting these headphones. I missed out on it. But today, me and my wife hanging out as always, went to Kohl's, and lo and behold, the Sony DJ headphones were sitting in there. Now, I don't know if this is the same packaging that was with these headphones about a couple years ago or whatever, but these headphones sound really, really good. And, okay, let me pause for a minute. To all those that watched my unboxing of the Black Web headphones, thank you. Thank you. I appreciate all the comments. Yeah, I appreciate all the tips and information. But I don't have the headphones. I actually took those headphones back the following day after I actually did that video. That's why I never did a follow-up video on them headphones, because I took them back. And the reason why was because I was in a very busy environment the following day, and it was real loud. A lot of people was around. But when I was making phone calls with the headphones, the people who I was talking to, they could hear everything going on in the background, and it was super loud in their ears. So I knew at that point, as me being a truck driver, you know, you be in that little that cab in the truck, and it could be loud. You know, truck engines, they could be loud. So I knew that was going to be an issue for me. So I took them back, and yeah, that's where I'm at with them. But you know, the music sounded all right. It was cool. But yeah, that's why you have never seen them again on the channel, because I took them back the following day because making phone calls on them wasn't a great experience. So thank you once again for watching that video. I appreciate it. But this is the Sony DJ headphones, and some of you might remember these headphones, but these was really popping a couple years ago. And I didn't get these to make phone calls because there ain't no mic on them. I strictly got these just for music, to listen to my music with a beautiful, crisp sound. Not too much bass, just enough bass. Not too much treble, just enough of it. Because a couple years ago, I listened to these, and they were awesome. Oh, wow. All right, let me pause for a minute, see what's going on. I'll be back. All right, YouTube, as you can see, the scenery has changed, so I'm in the basement right now. The basement where the little kids' playground is at. See, got all these little kids stuff down here. So this is where I'm at. Gonna finish out this video. So, all right. Like I was saying though, this was a hot item a couple years ago. So I'm gonna read off these specs in the English. Was slim swivel, folding style, and reversible air cup for easy portability. Durable and lightweight, flat cord, 40 mm driver unit for high quality sound. I'm not going to attempt to pronounce that. Magnet delivers powerful sound, resists high power input up to 1000 MW. Let's see. Type closed dynamic, and we're just, I'm reading specifications now. Driver unit 40 dome type. Power handling capacity 1000 MW. What? Impedance. Yeah, I think that's what that say. 40 something at 1 gigahertz. Sensitivity 105. Frequency response 5 Hz. 25,000 Hz. Cord. I guess they're just gonna give you the length of it, whatever. And plug. Gold plated. Okay. L shape stereo mini plug. Mass approximately. What is that? 220G without cord something. Then tell you this other stuff. So, all right. Let me open this thing up and then let's take a look at it. All right, we got out the little plastic packaging. Sorry that I couldn't let y'all see all that. I ain't got no tripod, so I had to put the camera down. So, but I do like this. This is like a half an album, whatever. And this was holding the cord and this paperwork. And yeah, so like I say, gold plated headphone jack. Like I said, I got this for music purposes. I remember trying these joints out when they was at Best Buy on display. You know, they let you listen to some music, whatever, and the quality was just crazy. But what we have here, some pads, I doubt that's leather. I truly doubt that. I say maybe pleather or some thin leather. On the cups, you got Sony here on the right side, and they do swivel around. Get that DJ look. Flip up. It's like some type of like rubber, but you can feel the frame inside of it. So plastic, no for real metal going on here at all. I don't see no metal, but I didn't buy it for that. I bought it for the sound quality. So thank you for watching this video. I appreciate it. Subscribe, and I do my best to give you more informative videos that you can use through your daily lives. Thank you. Peace. No, that's 2 fingers. Peace. Yeah, I'm out.